today we'll see how much we are making in 30 days. Here you can see more than $600,000 in just 30 days in back 2021. So we'll be also sharing the strategies how we made up to $3 million plus in just 7 months back in 2021, and the same strategies we are using for our clients today. So how much you can imagine how does $3,195,000 in just 7 months. So this is how we were doing. And now if you also want to make your sales boost up, do subscribe our YouTube with our more than 500 plus free tutorials on conversion rate optimization. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.